Adrian has a question that can we minimize the generation gap? And I have the answer. I want to tell that if we are talking to them in our free time, uh, that would very small time, but they also become happy to this, and we also feel with them comfortable, and we can tell everything to them.